There's a man most people genuinely liked. Smart, friendly, always in the room. But slowly, without him ever noticing, people started treating him differently, less seriously, less respectfully. And the worst part, he had no idea why. If you have ever felt like people stopped taking you seriously, or like your presence stopped carrying weight, stay with me. Because what I'm about to share might be the most important thing you watch this week. Welcome to Human Mind Signals, where we break down the hidden patterns behind human behavior, the things nobody teaches you, but everyone experiences. If you find human psychology interesting, you might want to stay and subscribe. We cover this stuff every day. Now, back to that man. His name does not matter. What matters is what he was doing without realizing it. He was making small, quiet mistakes. Mistakes that, over time, permanently eroded the respect people had for him. And the truth is, most people make these same mistakes every single day. The first one is over-explaining yourself. When you do something, and then immediately launch into a long explanation of why you did it, you are signaling insecurity. Confident people act and let the action speak. But when you explain yourself every time, you are subconsciously telling others that you need their approval. And the moment someone senses that, the dynamic shifts. You stop being the person they respect and start being the person they manage. The second mistake is agreeing with everything. Now, this one is subtle. On the surface, it seems like being agreeable makes people like you, and to some extent, it does. But there is a difference between being liked and being respected. When you never push back, never disagree, never hold a position, people start seeing you as someone with no real convictions. And respect, real respect, only lives where conviction exists. But here is the interesting part. The third mistake is actually the opposite. It is being too loud about your opinions. Some people confuse being loud with being strong. They think the more forcefully they talk, the more authority they project. But here's what actually happens. When someone constantly dominates conversations, interrupts others, or treats every discussion like a debate they have to win, people emotionally check out. They stop listening. Respect is not given to the loudest voice in the room. It is given to the most composed one. The fourth mistake is not keeping your word on small things. People track patterns, not promises. If you say you will call and you do not, if you say you will be somewhere and you are late, if you say you will handle something and it slips, these small moments accumulate. And one day, without any big argument or confrontation, people quietly stop trusting you. And once trust fades, respect follows right behind it. If you are finding this valuable so far, go ahead and like the video. It genuinely helps the channel reach more people. Now, the fifth mistake is laughing at yourself too often. There is a healthy version of this, being able to take a joke, not being too serious. But when someone constantly puts themselves down, makes self-deprecating jokes all the time, or uses humor to deflect from real conversations, other people take those signals seriously. They start seeing you the way you present yourself. If you treat yourself like a punchline, do not be surprised when others do too. The sixth mistake is seeking validation openly. This one is deeply human. We all want to feel seen and acknowledged. But the moment you openly chase that validation, you lose the power dynamic. Asking, was that good? Did I do okay? What do you think of me? Constantly, it wires people to see you as someone who needs reassurance, and people do not respect those they feel responsible for reassuring. And the seventh, and perhaps the most permanent, is betraying someone's confidence. When someone tells you something in private and it gets out, even if you were not the one who spread it directly, people feel it. And that feeling does not fade quickly. Trust, once broken at that level, does not always come back. And without trust, respect is just a performance. Here is the quiet truth that holds all of this together. Respect is not something you demand. It is something you build through 100 small, consistent decisions. Most people never lose respect all at once. They lose it slowly, one small mistake at a time, without ever noticing the signals. So now you know what those signals are. The question is, what are you going to do differently starting today? If you want to keep understanding people at a deeper level, subscribe to Human Mind Signals. More insights are coming and you will not want to miss them.